In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Teams link for your meeting in just 5 quick minutes. With the world leaning more into remote work and digital meetings, Microsoft Teams has become an essential tool for collaboration and communication. Whether it's for work or personal use, setting up a meeting link in Microsoft Teams is a skill everyone should know. So let's dive right in and make sure you're ready for your next digital meetup. First up, we need to get you into your Microsoft Teams account. Simply head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on that, and when prompted, enter your account credentials to log in. It's important to sign in with the account you use for meetings, as this will give you access to your scheduled events and the ability to create new ones. After you've successfully signed in, your next step is to navigate to the calendar. The calendar in Microsoft Teams is where all your scheduled events and meetings live. You can view upcoming meetings, plan new ones, or review past meetings. Now, find the event or meeting you'd like to create a link for. If it's an upcoming event, it should be easily visible on your calendar. Click on your chosen event to open its details. This step is crucial because you'll need to access the specific meeting's options to generate a link for it. Once you're in the meeting details, look for the copy icon located right next to the meeting link. This icon is typically represented by 2 overlapping squares or a clipboard, symbolizing the copy function. Clicking this icon will copy the meeting link to your clipboard, making it ready to be shared with your participants. And there you have it, you've successfully created and copied your Microsoft Teams meeting link. Now all that's left is to distribute this link to your attendees. You can paste the link into an email, a chat, or any other form of communication you prefer. Just ensure that everyone who needs to join the meeting has access to the link. Remember, the key to a smooth and successful digital meeting is preparation. By following these simple steps, you're not just preparing yourself, but also making the experience better for everyone involved. Keep this process in mind for future meetings, and you'll find that setting up and sharing Microsoft Teams meetings becomes second nature. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy meeting.